In one step, Neutrogena Men Age Fighter Face Moisturizer with Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 15 helps reduce the look of lines and wrinkles while protecting and hydrating skin. This daily anti-wrinkle moisturizer for men contains a boost of conditioning multivitamins and non-greasy moisturizers to help smooth rough, dry skin. It also contains retinol, the purest form of vitamin A, which is well known to help diminish the look of lines and wrinkles. Broad Spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen helps prevent against damage caused by the sun. 1 4-ounce bottle of Neutrogena Age-Fighting Anti-Wrinkle Face Moisturizer for Men with Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 15 to help reduce the look of lines and wrinkles while protecting and hydrating skin. Formulated with retinol, the purest form of vitamin A. This anti-wrinkle moisturizer is clinically proven to help reduce the look of lines and wrinkles for younger and smoother looking skin. Contains a boost of conditioning multivitamins and non-greasy moisturizers to help smooth and hydrate rough, dry skin. Men's Daily Moisturizer provides broad spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen protection to help prevent sunburn and damage caused by the sun. Makes a great addition to your daily men's skincare routine. Apply moisturizer 15 minutes before sun exposure to help diminish the look of wrinkles while protecting and hydrating the skin. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.